Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about what is next in your love life, and there are these three piles. You have to choose between these three, and which are you attracted most. Choose that pile, and remember to um, uh, remind their face in their mind, in their name in their mind and your mind, and then ask the question and open your eyes and see towards these things, and whichever you are attracted most, choose that one. I am going towards the pile number one. This is my pile number one. Okay, what is in your love life? Our question is, what is in your love life? Pile number one, what is in their love life? For pile number one, what is in their love life? What is in your love life? Pile number one. Okay, at the bottom of the deck you have four of here, that you have to make a decision, take rest, and think about it with a fresh mind, and then decide something. Okay, take a rest at this moment. Okay. Now your first card is King of Fire, and King of Fire, that person is motivational, idealistic, ambitious, and charismatic. Maybe this is you. You are. I think okay, you are in your form, and this is a Leo card also, and you are very brave person. You can do anything if you think that you want to do it. You can anything. You can do anything, and you are a brave person. You are a good planner, and also you are a good leader. You can lead anyone. You have the ability to lead others, and now you are leading some things. You are doing here something, and maybe you are proposing them, or prepare their mind to love you. 10 of water, and this leads to 10 of water. You to contented and rewarding family life. Your emotional and material needs are met. Trustworthy relationship. Yes, your relationship is going to high level. Your love is extending. Your happiness is extending. You have a lot of happiness in this situation with your life partner, and with this 10 of fire. Too much work, accept help from others. Life is out of balance. Stress related health concern. I want to clarify that part. Why this card is here? These are. Okay, why is this 10 of fire is in this reading? Why is this 10 of fire in this reading? This 10 of fire in this reading. Not that much. To clarify the 10 of fire, we have here 5 of cups. You are crying over something. I think you had done some bad decision or something bad, and you are now crying over it, or it is also the situation that you are missing someone, or you are not happy in some situation. 10 of fire, that's why you are so burdenful, or you so stressful. And 2 of swords, that's you have done something wrong over here, and that's why that person is block you, or someone block you, and you have hurt uh, hanging over here, and you are attracted towards somebody. I think that person love you, you love them, but someone from your family or their family is blocking you too over here. Okay, and with this page of fire, outgoing, creative, confident, mischievous. You can do it. There is the king of fire. You have the page of fire underneath this king of fire, and 10 of water. So I think that you can do it. You are so smart. You are a creative person. You have a confidence on yourself, and you're a mischievous person. Use of an exciting new endeavor. use your originality and ingenuity. If that person is not talking to you, or someone is blocking them to you, or you towards them, then you are going to do something over here, you are doing something over here, you are changing this situation, and you are manifesting that person. At this time you are alone in this I think you have nobody with you. Spend time in a quiet meditation, spiritual teaching, self-discovery. I want to clarify this part. I think there is no attraction, no will to come towards each other, or no will to share something with each other. Maybe I think definitely someone had tell you, or your life partner or your lover, sorry, that you both are not made for each other. You are not good, or she is not. They are not good, and they had done something over here to break this relationship. Okay, but there are a lot of love. Once again, this is a 10 of cups, and you both have a lot of love. I think that you are going to meet each other once again, but this is the time of blockage at this. This is the period of a blockage between you two. What is happening next? 5 of air. Once again, no, sorry. 5 of air. You have the will to win that person. You want to go towards that person. You want to take them back in your life, or to have them in your life. And there are a lot of things hidden in there, and little bit ego. I want to clarify that part. Look, I see that you both want inside that to end that quarrel, to end this fight, but you both don't want to apologize to each other, or to propose each other, because there's one person that is not good for you. That person don't want you to be one, and that person is doing something, and because of his deeds or her deeds, you both want to end this quarrel, this fight, but you don't want to apologize. And I already tell you that there is a little bit ego. This is a devil card in this deck, and someone has mask on their face, but there is the angelic power that is working over here for you too, and definitely you will have some help from them. Okay, now what next in pile number 1? Chariot. Yes, definitely you two are moving towards each other. Yes, and the Empress card at the bottom of the deck. Yes, you both are coming towards each other. You both going to have a baby with each other, and happiness, good home life with each other. You both want each other. There is a love between you two, but there is someone who is telling you the lie, and they want you to be divorced, or get away from each other. Okay, don't listen to that person. Don't listen to anyone. Just listen to your intuitions, to your own mind, to your own heart. Okay, I want to pull some more cards for you. For my pile number 1. Yes, past life relationship. I think you are already in each other's life, or in marriage, each other's married to each other. And for those who are still not married, they the reading for them is also the same, but only the factor is that someone is married to them, or someone is not. But if this is not your marriage situation, then they are your friends, or your relatives, and you know that person before. This is a past life relationship. What next? Some other thing. for my pile number 1, any advice? Okay, these all are upside down. Yes, they are going to show their real self, their face, their real face, and they are going to tell you what are they want to do or what is the blockage between you two. And stay optimistic. This is upside down, so there is no chance to be. There is no hope for something better. There is no passion. Getting to know each other. Yes, at the bottom of the deck you have to get to know each other. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. Yes, you have to share your thoughts to each other, so you can they know that what you want and you know what they want, and you can compromise over some place, or you can get you are easily decide what you want and what you not. Go and talk to them. That is good for you in this relationship. That's what I have for you, my pile number 1 in the please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about the situation, then keep watching my videos. You will surely get some advice from them, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going to the reading number 2. For those who choose the pile number 2 with this blue color sandal keychain, your okay. Yes, what is in their love life for pile number 2? What is in pile number 2's love life? What is in pile number 2's love life? What is in pile number 2's love life? Okay, my pile number 2, there is these cards for you there, and the question is what is in your love life, and the first card is you are not happy. You want to win that situation, you want to win that person, and unwise choice. Learn what you can from this situation, review everyone's motives, okay, and think thoroughly about this situation. If this person is good for you or their family is good for you, if that person is, sometimes that person is good for you but their family is not good for you, then keep thinking that these two situations, that them, both of them, their family and you also, they also, if they are good for you or not. And with this other card, the strength card is upside down. This is a Leo card, and I think you are afraid to tell them that you love them, or you know that they will refuse your proposal and something like that, or their parents or their family will do it, and that's why you are not moving forward. And you need the strength over here. You need the strength, the power to go towards them, to tell them, and to fight for your love, for your right, okay. You have to do it. Be a powerful person, be a strengthful person, be a brave person, okay. Balance. This situation needs balance. This is also the temperance card. You be patient. Do what you think is right, and fight for your love, and then wait. This your son is growing up there, is coming out of the darkness, and you have to wait for some time, then it will be the good time for you. There's a lots of flower blossoming and fertility for you in this situation, okay. And 3 of fire, you have to wait. So once again, you have to wait over here. Abundance, things look very good. Have a patience at this time. Make long-term plan, okay. Make long-term plan. You want them, you love them, then do something and wait for them. Tell them that you love them, you want them in your life, and then wait what they tell you, or wait for the right time that they come towards you. I think they will do by their self for your love and their love, okay. And 6 of earth, there is a balance between this situation. Your love, as much as love you, you love them, they love you back, okay. Okay, gifts of money, time or effort, new career, opportunities receiving a loan or paying off debts. Okay, if you have some you are taking some loan from someone, now this is the time you have the money and you can give them that loan. Okay, and with this nine of water, definitely thanks God you have the bush fulfillment card. You are going to fulfill your wishes, and your wishes are come true. Your wishes are come true, concerns fade away, a love for life. What was it? A love of life. Yes, this person also loves you, and they will they are doing their work at their place, and you have to do something here to have them in your life. Yes, and with the what is your advice? What is your advice? What is the advice for you, my pile number 2? What is the advice for my pile number 2? And there's very soon something is happening, something is changing very soon. What else? Show me the card. What else is going on over here? That person is doing their work, you are doing your work, and you have to have a little bit more strength, the more power to do it. Be a brave person. One more card please, one or two more cards please. Yes. Forgiving and learning. As you release as you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. Okay, forgive them, then you will have love from them. Okay, I think if this person, maybe this person is not talking to you, but they have love inside their heart, inside them for you. Getting to know each other once again. Playfulness to each other. This is the cards for you. Make a decision very soon what you want to do. And this is your reading, my pile number 2 for today. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about this situation, then go and watch my other videos. You will surely get some help from there. With lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards the reading number 3. For those who choose the pile number 3 with this silver card, with this silver keychain, your reading is, your cards are. What for my pile number 3? What's for the love? What's for my pile number 3? Oh guys, your first card is 10 of water, and that is upside down. There is no love, there is no attraction towards each other, no happiness in this situation. And the 11 card is upside down also. You have no strength to go towards them, to speak to them, to tell them how much you love them. They already when you go towards them, they start burst on you. They start to call, fight to you. Why are you here? Why are you doing this? Did you come back? Why are you come back? Something like that. They are telling you. Maybe they are fighting with you. They fight with you. 6 of her. But I think there is a little bit hope in their mind or their heart. They want this relationship as well as you want. But 10 of water is clarified by this this moon card, and that is upside down. They are hiding something from you, and they are not telling them you that what they are hiding. They don't want to tell you. They are hiding something. I want to clarify this. Okay guys, I think that they are not defining themselves, that why are they doing this, why are they are doing that. or they are right or wrong. They are not talking to you, they are not defining themselves, protecting themselves that they are right. They are just want to um they just want to break this home, this relationship with you. They want divorce with this card. They don't want the life with you anymore, the relationship with you anymore. Eight of fire, and this is upside down. That means that something is not happening soon, fastly. This will take their time. I want to clarify this also. They are no more in love with you. This is a Scorpio card and this is upside down, and this person is not in love with you. They want to the revenge with you. When this Scorpio card is upside down, this card upside is a lot of love. A person loves you, they care about you, they can die for you, but now they want the revenge from you. They want to take a revenge from you, and that person is not investing anything into you. That person is fed of this situation. They don't want anything from you. This is a Virgo card, this is Leo card, and this is Pisces, and Hierophant card. Hierophant, I think this is uh, Taurus card, and they are they don't want any unity also. They don't want to come towards you. However, they think about that this is not good to leave you, because they have a home with you, and I think they have a child. This card I can see there is a child, and they don't want to harm their child. That's why they are they want to live with you, but they are not happy with you. They are eager to leave you, and they are burning inside. They are doing something over here. They are burning inside, and they are burning all around them. I want to see something more. What is happening in this situation? What is happening for my file number 3 in their love life? Okay, 3 of it, definitely. I think that person have some other person in their life, or you have some other person in your life. There is a third party situation. That is not mean that that person are cheating over you, or love someone else, want to marry someone else. This is anyone from their family, someone from someone, their parents, their siblings, or someone from their friends. They are telling them they are telling them about you the bad things. Four of Earth, being too frivolous or too cautious with money, good business decisions giving to those less fortunate. Okay, and then High Priestess. What is more in this situation? What is happening? They are fighting with you. They are having a quarrel with you. They are having this is a battleground. They are fighting with you. They want to leave you, and they are fighting with you. Knight of Fire, passionate, adventurous, self-assured, restless. That person is self-assured and restless. With this card over here, they are restless. Their mind is burning. They are restless, and a sudden event that needs immediate attention. Time is of the essence. Think things through carefully. Okay, think things through carefully. They like you, but they are fed up of this situation. What else? Five of Water. They are crying that they have you in their life, and they want to cut that situation. Challenging information, delays or challenges to plans, changes to plans, truth delivered without checks. Definitely. You need to have more brain, but much wisdom to handle this situation. You have to be more wise to handle this situation. Seven of Fire. defend yourself, defend, tell them why are you doing this, why is this partying is happening. uh, try to uh, uh, try to tell them, teach them how, what is wrong in this relationship. Eight of here, they think they are stuck over this situation, they are not happy in this situation, they want to move forward, they want to be independent. Okay, what's next? Show me something else. What's next on the pile number 3? Queen of fire, they are moving. What else? Or you have to tell them, go and make a some effort to tell them that you don't want them to leave. Ace of something is they are going to have a clarity, you are going to have a clarity, brilliant new ideas and inspiration, seeing the truth of the situation, a challenging beginning. You are going to see the truth of the situation. What's next? Something else, please. Oops, so much cards. Night of, or this situation is moving forward, but this card is very slow, this energy is very slow. This is they will have to take their time, they are coming out of this situation, they are going to leave you, or leave their the third party situation, they are leaving here someone. And then your love life is your home life is going to be a happy home life, and you have to defend what you have created, what you have okay, yeah, what is this? Don't give up, protect that which you have created, have courage and believe in yourself. Okay, wheel of fortune is with you, and this is the most powerful card in these cards. I happy to see this wheel of fortune is with you, they are coming towards you. Scholarly, dependable, patient, successful, they are going to be successful with that person. They are coming out of their bad time, they are angry with this, they are going to blow all of this relationship, they are going to end this up. But something happened with this wheel of fortune, and your luck is with you, that's why they are coming back to you. And they are generous, professional, responsible, practical, a successful time, confidently accept opportunities you are offered, the Midas step. Yes, definitely that person is coming towards you. Something for pile number 3, soulmate, they are your soulmate. Something else for pile number 3, passion, they have passion towards you. Something else with their in their love life. I think this person is very aggressive, very angry person. Yes, give your relationship a chance, definitely. And at the bottom of the deck you have the attraction card. Be happy, they are coming towards you, they are thinking about you, they have a love for you, they have still love for you in their mind, and give this relationship a chance. Okay, that's I have all for you for today, my pile number 3. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, keep watching my videos, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye, we will see each other again.